Hi, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this video I am reviewing the binary options broker called Core Liquidity Markets. So Core Liquidity Markets is also a forex broker in the traditional sense, and they also have a binary options platform. So their pros are they have max returns up to 70% for most of their options, and for 60-second up to 80%. Their client funds are segregated with the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. They're actually licensed and regulated by ASIC, which is the Australian Securities Investments Commission. You can trade via their web trader or via an MT4 trader or MT4 platform if you're on a Windows-based software. They also have excellent customer service. I found they got back to me on any questions I have within the same day, well, actually within the same hour. The cons are that US traders are not accepted. If you want to actually do a withdrawal, the minimum is $50 for most methods, like your credit card and a few wallets solutions, but for a wire, it's a $100 minimum. So they're actually founded in 2010, but the actual binary options was founded in 2014, so they have been around for a while. As I mentioned, they're regulated and licensed by ASIC. Their company is actually called Core Liquidity Markets Proprietary Limited, and they're headquartered in Melbourne, Australia. Sorry, that's incorrect. It's not up to 85%. It's actually up to 70% for most options, and up to 80% for 60-second options. A minimum deposit is 250 Australian dollars or USD dollars or pounds. A minimum investment is only $1. A maximum investment is, I think I've put another typo in here, it's actually, I believe, $5,000. So just ignore that, 5,250. They do offer a demo account, which is awesome, and that's free. No US traders. Your cash outs will be done within 24 hours. To actually to actually even deposit, you actually need to do your compliance identification up front. I'll go through that in the next slide. And your account base currency can be in Aussie dollars, US, euros, or pounds. So the banking options are credit cards, debit cards, wire transfer, net teller. For Chinese traders, China Union Pay, and also web money is available. And there's also a few withdrawal options there. So the deposit policy is 250 minimum deposit. If you deposit via a certain option and wish to withdraw, then that default option your funds have to go back on that. So if you actually deposit via a credit card up to, say, $1,000, then if you want to withdraw, you can actually withdraw up to $1,000 back onto your credit card. But if you want to withdraw, say, $1,500, then only the first $1,000 goes back on your credit card, and the other $500 will be put via a wire transfer. You actually must complete your ID verification before depositing. So yeah, as I mentioned before, credit card withdrawals are limited to no more than your initial deposit, and the surplus is done via a wire. Withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. That's because to actually even deposit, all your ID verification is done, so your withdrawal process is very fast. As all your ID is out of the way, you get one free withdrawal per month. Any extra withdrawals is going to be a 3% fee on the amount that you actually withdraw, so please be aware of that. The trading platform can be either on an MT4 trader or a web trader. Expiry times are 60-second, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour, which is quite a good number of expiry times to choose from, especially for a binary options trader. They do have a mobile app in Android and Apple formats. You can trade on a tablet. Option types are just your high-low, and they cover all the main assets. So when you log into the Core Liquidity Markets web trader, and you go to the binary options tab, then you'll have all the available binary options currently on offer. By default, it lists them all and then you can actually tab through. It looks like you just list them all there. You can scroll down if there's more. Currently there's only Forex pairs available because I'm quite early in the morning on a Monday morning. So we'll go through and demonstrate how you actually use the trading software and place a trade. So you click on a symbol that you want, then you've obviously got the current price that it's at. The current, if you want to make an investment amount, currently it's on $5. So if you want to up that to say 100, then you'll see your payout win, what that will be. So if we drop that down to 50, and then you can choose your expiry. So it can be 60 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. And then you just choose your direction, being up or down. Just says a little confirm there, and it's as simple as that. Another great thing about the software is that you can actually apply some indicators as well, which is quite handy that you have that straight there. You don't have to use another chart. So moving on to the Scam Watch, I've not found core liquidity markets to be associated with any bonus or promotional scams. They don't actually offer any bonuses or any extra promotions at the moment. As they are licensed and regulated, they're actually a very, very trustworthy and reputable broker. I highly recommend trading with core liquidity markets. But yeah, this will be continue to be monitored. If you've had any troubles with core liquidity markets, please comment below this video, and I'll try and get onto it for you. So I have an exclusive offer. If you become a binaryoptions.net.au member and join CLM via my website, and if your first trade is a loser, it's going to be risk-free on me. So if you lose your first trade, I'm going to refund that amount up to $100. So if you have any questions about core liquidity markets, please comment below this video. I'd like to know if you have traded with core liquidity markets and whether your experience was a good one or a bad one. Were you able to deposit quite easily and withdraw quite easily without any problems? And if there's anything you'd like for them to improve, please comment below this video. So if this is one of the first times you've watched one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, as this is the best way to keep in touch with any new broker reviews, signal reviews, or trading strategies that we upload to the channel. And until next time, may all your trades be profitable.